Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the poem Father Returning Home. In this video, we will discuss biographical information of poet, theme of the poem, and technical aspects of the poem. So, my dear students, the poem Father Returning Home was written by Maharashtrian poet Dilip Purushottam Chitre. He was born in 1938 and died in 2009. He was a celebrated bilingual poet and translator with a remarkable work in Marathi and English. His versatile creativity extends to painting, filmmaking, and his notable contribution as a magazine columnist. He received India's prestigious award for the writing, that is Sahitya Akademi Award, for his poetry as well as his well-known translation of Says Tuka, the popular Abhangas of Tukaram Maharaj, which he was translated at the age of 16, or he had started the translation of literary works of saints in Marathi at the age of 16. Exile, alienation, self disintegration, death are the major themes of his works. So, what is exile? Exile means uprooting. In Marathi, it is vanvas. Then alienation. Alienation means parkepana, ekakipana, loneliness. These are all characteristics of modern man or the modernization. This is the ugliest side of modernization. Here we can understand in this poem the drawbacks of modernization, drawbacks of modern lifestyle. So, these are all the major themes of his poems. About the poem which is Father Returning Home, adapted or is taken from Traveling in a Cage. This is the collection of poems by Dilip Purushottam Chitre. Here in this poem, he draws a portrait of a suburban commuter. Commuter means those who travel regularly from one place to another place, typically for the work, is called as commuter. So in this poem he talks about a commuter. Here he had used a figure of his own father to represent the modern man. In this poem he depicts his father's monotonous, exhausting and pitiable daily routine. It describes forced alienation of a father at home as well as at workplace. So these are the various themes which he has used in this poem. The poem is directly related to the life of Dilip Purushottam Chitre because the first person pronoun I is used into this poem. So we can understand that the poet had used his own experience to represent the modern man, to represent the absurdity, loneliness, and of a modern man. So, poet has used a glimpse of routine lifestyle of his father, that is Purushottam Chitre, when they moved from Baroda to Mumbai. His father had a job and he had followed the same routine that he presented in this poem, that he has presented in this poem Father Returning Home. The poem has gone beyond its autobiographical significance because here he talks or represents the postmodern man. So my dear students, this is the beautiful poem where you can understand, where you can correlate the lifestyle of suburban middle class man. So this is about the poem. Here we will discuss the technical aspects of the poem. If you read the poem, you will understand that the poem has two stanzas. Means we can divide the poem into two stanzas. each stanza is of 11 line. So poem doesn't carry any rhyme and rhythm, so it is an example of free verse. So lack of rhyme and rhythm, due to because of lack of rhyme and rhythm, we can say it is an example of free verse. Language is easy and simple. It has full of symbolic expressions with the poetic devices, simile, metaphor, alliteration, etc. It is into the form of first person narrative, so it is also called as an autobiographical poem. So my dear students, in that way today we have discussed about the life or the biographical information of Dilip Purushottam Chitre, later on technical aspects plus major themes of his poems. Thank you very much. We will meet soon in the next video, in the next audio with the poem. Thank you.